Eissturm Hurricane and Gaming DIY water cooling kits. They are complete kits that come with a water block, a pump, reservoir, radiator, fans, tubing, fittings, wiring, pretty much everything that you're going to need in order to get your basic water cooling kit up and running. This kit is also compatible with the Eissbear and the Eisswolf, simply by using the quick disconnect fittings that are included in the kit. The Eissturm gaming kit comes with a Nexus S T30 Radiator, an iStation that supports the DCLT pump, a Nexus XP3 light water cooling block for the CPU, as well as Alphacool Eissturm fans to go on the radiator. It includes Alphacool CKC fluid, as well as tubing, a filling bottle, an ATX 24 pin to jump your power supply, and the Eissbear quick disconnect fitting. The Eissturm Hurricane comes with the Nexus XT45 Radiator, an Eissbecker pump res combo, the Eissblock XPX CPU block, Alphacool Eisswind fans, Alphacool CKC fluid, Eissfen fittings, as well as a fill bottle, the ATX jumper, Y-splitter cables, and the quick disconnect for the Alphacool Eissbear. Both kits have the ability to get you started with water cooling today.